Oh, shit. Well, apparently my camera wasn't working throughout that whole entire first part. So welcome to the Rage Compilation Part 2 of Somewhat Rage, Somewhat Not. Me getting salty mostly. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy the saltiness. Because I know my friend here is hella enjoying it. Because he's just laughing up a storm. I killed myself. Oh, he just like whipped past me. I hope I'm happy about that because I'm not proud. But then again, I'm never proud. Because my life is a joke. Ooh, 2 kills.
HCXD ready for deployment.
Yeah, I'm gonna save that. And I hope my audio doesn't crap out like the last video where it was somewhat good, somewhat bad. Because of the fact that I stopped looking at the microphone and continued talking. Fastest round of Black Ops ever, eh? Fastest round.